Hey, I am doing something important things. Get out of here. You're distracting me.
Okay.
Hey, stop. Chris, come over here. Chris, get in here. Get her, search her. I think she stole the money from me.
But no, sir.
What? Raise your hands. Mr. Martini. She is clear. She has nothing.
So, can I go now?
Yeah, go ahead. Get out of here.
Thank you.
Wait, sir. She has money in her bag. So, you caught her. Do you have any idea what I do to people like you?
Will you hit your own daughter?
What are you talking about? Wait. You are Maria's daughter?
The pregnant woman you left in beginning. Now she really needs money for medical treatment.
Oh my god. Maria's sick? Oh, that's horrible. You know, it's probably because she gave birth to a loser just like you. Chris, get the police. Get her out of here.
Wait. We will sit together in prison.
How?
I will show this paper to police and they will take you.
Wow. Looks like you are not foolish as I thought you were.
Well, if you don't give me the money right now, my partner will report this to the police.
You are very clever. I like you. Take all the money. It's all yours. Go ahead. What are you waiting for?
Okay, thanks. See you soon. Bye.